Ho-ho!
We've just entered icy waters. Everything's clear, Captain.
Whoa!
Wait, there's something ahead! Oh no, a bunch of icebergs is coming! Our ship is doomed!
How to help the Titanic avoid obstacles?
I'll turn this tank into a training course for a ship. Next, I'll place some polar details to make it look like Antarctica. Now, here comes our Titanic. Now, I'll build the steering mechanism. I'll need a wheel to control the ship's direction and help it avoid all the obstacles. Let's attach the steering wheel to the ship. And drop in plenty of ice cubes. Oh no, the ice isn't drifting at all. This tank needs something to make the water flow. So I'll build a spinning propeller to stir the water and keep it moving. I need 2 of them to keep things moving evenly. Now let's add more big ice blocks.
Time to plant these seeds. Let's make sure the seeds are evenly spaced. I hope these seeds grow well. Oh no, I need fertilizer to save these seeds. How to build the fertilizer machine? Number 1, movement system. Build the frame. Build the motor. Install the wheels. Install the battery box.
Wow!
Number 2, hopper and lifting system. Build the lifting system. Build the hopper. Connect the hopper to lifting system.
Wow!
Number 3, collection system. Build the conveyor belt. Build the rotary collector. Testing. Number 4, spreading system. Build the spinner disc. This is the best fertilizer on the market. This machine makes fertilizing so much easier.
Great job!
It's time to fertilize the plants now. It's working perfectly. This fertilizer will make the plants grow strong. Wow, success! This machine saves me so much time. We have to refill the fertilizer.
I'm on it!
Fertilizing has become so much easier now. All the crops have been fully fertilized.
All the crops have been fully fertilized.
It's time to harvest.
You're crazy. We're trapped. Somebody help.
Let me out of here.
Let's see if you're lucky enough, shall we?
Build the slide. Set up slide. Add a pool. Add the water pump.
Let the fun begin. It's working.
First turn. Please, don't do this to me. Please, have mercy. Help me.
So interesting.
Not me. Let me out of here. I'm so scared. Let me go, please. This is dark and stinky in here. Help me.
Those cups look pathetic.
What happens?
You deserve to die.
You think that you can be smarter than me? Now your turn.
Oh no, how's it possible?
How to build the water pump. Install the impeller. Install the pipe. Install the gears. Add an engine. Install the case.